All right, this is the second video I'm doing on the guided notes called Compare Populations, Analyze Graphs. And in this video, we will go over the answers to problems 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you have not already done these problems on your own, you definitely should hit stop or pause on the video right now and do them on your own first, because that is the expectation. All right, here we go. Problem number 5. Hopefully you already did this. Which statement is not true? All right, all the top-rated Western ski resorts have more trails than 50% of the top-rated Eastern ski resorts. Well, you can see from the lowest value up to the median, which is 50%, and they are not as high as the Western ski resorts. So choice A is true. 75% of the top-rated Eastern ski resorts have 90 to 150 trails. Well, let's see. Here's 90, here's 150, or 155, and that is two sections of 50%. Well, choice B is saying 75%, so that one is not true. But just to verify, choice C, 25% of the top-rated Western ski resorts have 215 trails or more, 215 or more. Yep, that is 25%, so that one is definitely true. And choice C, only 25% of the top-rated Eastern ski resorts have 120 more trails. Yep, that's true. Just 25%, 120 more. But 75% of the top-rated Western ski resorts have 115 or more. 1, 2, 3 sections. That's 3 25s. So yes, that is 75%. Choice D is true. So the correct answer for which one is not true is choice B. All right, number 6. Which of the following inferences is correct? Is it choice A, the range of the number of ski trails for the east is equal to the lowest number from the west? Well, let's see. The range is 155 minus 60, which is 95. And what is the lowest number of trails from the west? Hey, it's 95. So right away, choice A appears to be correct. But let's just double check. Choice B, the number of trails on the west is the median number of trails for the west is twice the amount as the median for the east. Well, let's see. The median of the west is 155. The median of the east is only 90. If I take 90 times 2, I only get 180, not 155. So choice B is definitely not correct. Highest quartile, that would be, for the east, that would be 120, is smaller than the lower quartile of the west. Is this smaller than this? No, it's actually greater than that. So choice C is wrong. Although the median of the Western ski resorts is greater than the median of the Eastern ski resorts. First of all, let me double check that that's correct. Is the median of the West bigger than the... Yeah, definitely bigger than the median of the East. The Eastern ski resorts have a greater IQR. Is the width of the box for the East greater than the width of the box for the West? No, definitely not. So goodbye, choice D. All right, problem number 7, double line plot. Part A, the median number of pets for mountain estates is greater than the median for Valley Springs. Okay, so if you counted how many X's there are 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means the median is between the 10th and the 11th number. So the median here is 1. What about the median for Valley Springs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the median is here. That median is also 1. So is the median for Mountain Estates greater than the median for Valley Springs? No, they are the same. Goodbye, choice A. What about B? The mean for Mountain Estates is twice the mean of Valley. Okay. The mean. Well, there are 6 zeros. 6 times 0 is 0. There's 5 ones. 5 times 1 is 5. There are 3 2s. 3 times 2 is 6. There's 2 3s. 2 times 3 is also 6. Did I mess up in my math? I think I did. I am missing a 6. There's another 6 in here. Sorry about that. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is also 6. So, yeah, 5, 6, 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 and 7. That means I should have proofread this before I started recording this video. This is actually going to be 37. And 37 divided by 20 is 1.85. So forgive me for not having this proofread. But anyway, is that twice the mean of Valley Springs? Well, let's find out. Valley Springs, a bunch of zeros. I don't have to worry about those. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those ones is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 is 12. And we also have a 4. If we add those up, we get 24 divided by 20 is 1.2. Is 1.85 twice as much as 1.2? No, it is not. So goodbye choice B. Although the medians from each of the data are the same, yes, medians are the same, Mountain Estates has a larger interquartile range, IQR. Okay, well, I'm going to have to find where Q1 and Q3 are. So there was 20 numbers. Half of 20 is 10. So there's 10 in the lower half, 10 in the upper half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The median is, Q1 would be here. That's 0. From the median, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Q3 is halfway between those two, and that is going to be 3. 3 minus 0 is 3, so that has an interquartile range of 3. For Valley Springs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait a minute. So here's the 5th, here's the 6th. That means the median in between for Q1 is, no, it's not 1. It's 0.5. Ah, man, I really should have proofread this before I recorded. For Q3, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means in between the 5th and 6th number is Q3. So that is at 2. And if I take 2 minus 0.5, I get 1.5. Fixing this. Let's see. Does Mountain Estates have the larger interquartile range? Yes, it does. So it appears to be choice C, but let's just double check. The House of 7 Pets is an outlier for Mountain Estates. Well, the interquartile range is 3, and if you remember how we get outliers for, 7's a big outlier if it happens to be an outlier, so that would be if it's bigger than the upper limit. The upper limit is Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR, so Q3 was 3, and the IQR was 3, so 1.5 times 3 is 4.5, and 3 plus 4.5 is 7.5. Is 7 bigger than 7.5? No, it is not. So choice D is gone. Oh, so sorry, choice C was the correct answer. And finally, problem number 8. Which statement explains which torus attraction has a greater variability? Okay, you need to know variability is referring to measure of variation, which for box and whisker plots is the interquartile range. So IQR. All right, my eye is looking funny here, forgive me. Anyway, interquartile range. So basically, the art gallery has the wider box, so it has the greater interquartile range, and that is how you would explain who has the greater variability. Well, that is choice B. Interquartile range for art gallery is greater. Now, is the median for the museum greater than the art gallery? Yes, it is, but that does not explain who has the greater variability. See, median is measure of center. Variability refers to measure of variation, which is the interquartile range. Range could also be variability, but is the museum's range greater than the art gallery's? No, the art gallery goes from 150 all the way up to 220, which is a range of 70. Museum only goes from 170 to 210. That's a range of 40. So this statement is not even true for the museum. And third quartile is not what really tells me who has the greater variability. By the way, the third quartile for the art gallery is not greater than the third quartile for a museum. They're both at 200. So that statement's not true at all. So it's definitely choice B. All right, thanks for watching this video. Sorry for the blunders that I made on number 7, and we'll see you next time.